Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is LC. I will introduce how to get volume weighted close price by financial year. I split this topic into two different videos. This is the first part. In this video, I will demonstrate how to calculate volume weighted close price if you have close prices of a stock for only one financial year. I will use Heineken Malaysia 2019 data as example. You can download the workbook by clicking the link in the video description. In this workbook, I have preloaded 2019 close prices. If you wish to learn how to import stock prices into Excel, please check out the link in the video description. Without further ado, highlight the whole data table. Click Format as Table. Choose whichever layout you like. Then click OK. Change the table name to close underscore price underscore 2019 to calculate volume weighted close price. We will use SUMPRODUCT and SUM function in Excel. Select H3 cell. Let's key in the formula here. I will do it slowly here. Pay attention to movement of my mouse pointer. Let's start. Start with SUMPRODUCT. Okay. Select the close price column, comma, select the volume column, close the bracket, divide by sum the volume, close the bracket, press enter. So the answer is 23 ringgit 57 cents. That's all. I encourage you to toy around this workbook. If you accidentally break the workbook, don't worry. You always can download this workbook again. In the next video, I will show you how to calculate volume weighted close price by financial year given 10 years of data and change your financial year. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like and share it out. If you didn't, a dislike. Subscribe for more, ring the bell, and I will see you in the next one.